In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a simple text layer and give it smooth, professional motion using Framer's built-in tools. No code needed. First, head over to Framer in your browser and open the project you want to work on. You can start from an existing page or a brand new canvas. Both work the same. Once your project is open, make sure you're looking at the main canvas so you can see your layout clearly. If your page is large, zoom to fit so the text you want to animate is visible. This makes it easier to spot what's changing as you add effects. Next, click the text box you want to animate. Use the regular selection tool and select the actual text layer, not just the frame around it. If your text sits inside a group or a stack, you can also select it from the Layers panel to avoid grabbing the wrong element. You'll know you've got the right layer when you see its properties appear in the right-hand panel. It helps to give your text layer a clear name, so you can find it again later, especially if you plan to animate multiple headings or paragraphs. Now with your text selected, open the Effects section in the right panel. This is where the magic happens. Choose the kind of animation that fits your design. Common choices are a subtle fade, a slide up, a gentle scale, or a slight rotate. Keep your motion modest. Small movements usually look more refined and keep the focus on the message. Adjust the key controls like duration, delay, and easing. A duration around half a second often feels smooth without dragging, and a tiny delay can help stagger multiple elements for a natural rhythm. If your text sits in a section that scrolls into view, pair the effect with an on-enter or scroll into view trigger so it plays when the viewer actually reaches that content. As you fine-tune the effect, watch the canvas and use the preview to see the animation in context. Try stacking a couple of subtle effects, like a faint fade combined with a short slide, for extra polish. Make sure the motion supports readability. Avoid big jumps, harsh bounces, or long blurs on body copy. If you're designing for different screen sizes, quickly check your breakpoints to confirm the timing and distance still feel right on smaller devices. And that's it. Go to Framer, select your text box, and apply your effects. With a few thoughtful tweaks to timing and easing, your typography will come alive in a way that feels clean, modern, and perfectly on brand.